doon sa Timog. Tapos, Thursday nights po sa Elbow Room po kami network. Hello po sa mga taga-Elbow Room.
Ayan. Siyempre po, para mapakinggan natin ang musika ng The Pillow Band, anong song kakantayin nyo?
It's something from the Bangles.
Ayan.
One of our favorites.
Palakpakan po natin ang The Pillowcase Band.
Good morning. Hi to my mom and Mommy Ruby. Hello to Mommy Ruby. Good morning din po kay Kuya Daniel. Morning. O'clock already, I was just in the middle of a dream. I was kissing Valentino by a crystal blue Italian street. But I can't relate, 'cause then I guess I just won't get paid. These are the days when you wish that there was already made. It's just another night. Monday, I wish it was Sunday, 'cause that's not Monday. But I don't have to run it, it's just another night, it's Monday. Have to catch an early train, got to be to work by 9. And if I had an aeroplane, I still couldn't make it on time. 'Cause it took me so long just to figure out what I'm gonna wear. Waiting on the train, but the boss is already there. It's just another manic Monday. I wish it was Sunday, 'cause that's not Sunday. But I don't have to run it, it's just another manic Monday. All of the nights where my lover had to take that night to get down. And the same night that I have to feed a phone of us and pull me down. He tells me in his bedroom, come on honey, let's go make some noise.